This is my house. My presence must be felt. This is my house. My presence must be felt. This is my house. My presence must be felt. I am the light. I want to play. Don't leave me alone.
I'm not a baby. Please, don't play with me, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Don't eat it. Play with me. Why won't you play with me?
Go away. Go away.
Don't go. Stay with me.
What is it? What do you want from me? What is it?
Don't go. Stay with me.
What do you want? What do you want from me? Stay away from me.
Hey. What are you doing here? How did you get yourself into my house? I am talking to you. Speak! I am talking to you!
Not again. Not again today. What do you want? Why are you tormenting? Why are you following me everywhere?
Hey Nancy, you look like you've seen a ghost.
A ghost? I didn't see any ghost. I'm just super focused. I'm trying to, get to work.
Nancy, you look like you were being chased by a ghost. I mean, your eyes were practically bulging out of your head.
Well, as you can see, there's no ghost here. Maybe I was thinking out loud. What do you want?
Okay. Anyways, Mr. Kevin's asked of you. I think he wants to see you. I almost forgot to tell you.
Okay. I'll be in his office. I said okay.
See you later.
Nancy.
Yes, sir.
I just reviewed your proposal for the new client acquisition strategy. Nancy, Kanyine, what is this? This is unlike you. This is not you. Look at you look at it. Look at it. It's not well written. It's not well arranged. It's not coordinated. And you know the standards here, don't you? Nancy, you used to be one of my best team players. And all of a sudden, look at what you've turned out. Look, whatever you're going through, be it professional or personal, you know you can talk to me. Talk to me and then let's look for a way to sort things out and support you. But this is not acceptable. Can you know?
You again? Little girl, what do you want? Who are you?
My name is Delight.
Delight or whatever it's your name, please. What do you actually want from me? You're beginning to haunt me and I don't like it. Please, I beg you. What do you want?
What is wrong with me? Why do I keep seeing her everywhere? Is what I'm seeing real or am I hallucinating? What does she want from me? God, please. Come to my rescue. I beg you. I'm losing it. I'm going crazy. She was here. Yes, hello? Who's there? Hello, little girl. Is that you?
I want to play. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone.
Who's there? Who is there? Yes, hello? Yes, I'm home. Please, hurry to the house. Okay, I'm waiting.
Again? What do you want from me? What? Oh, no. No, no, no!
Yes, who's there? Who's there?
Hi,
Clara! Oh my goodness, is this you?
It's me, oh. Babe, I miss you so much.
You will never stop looking good. Clara, the delivery girl.
Yeah, so call me that.
So tell me, how is business? How is work? How's everybody?
Work is fine.
How's life been with you? How's your delivery
As you
business?
can see, fine. Let me even tell you about my delivery.
That's my favorite.
Babe, there's this time delivery.
Okay.
Last week, I wanted to deliver. When I got to the address, guess what?
What?
The gate was locked too.
So, if it was locked, what then happened?
And dog! There was dog in the house.
Stop it. Okay, I can understand it was a marathon between you and your lovely companion of dog, right? So how were you able to run with all this? Oh, this. How were you able to?
Babe, I thought she moved in here last week.
Yes, I did.
Why is everywhere messed up like this?
How come affect? I've
What's
been
going on?
trying to put up everywhere at place, It's not easy.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Okay.
So tell me, what do I offer you? Do you want something?
Offer me. As long as I'm seeing you, I'm okay. I've had enough. Like, I'm full already.
Okay.
I'm seeing my friend now. Hey, babe, let's just
Okay.
offer. Tell me about you and Steve. What's going on? Any good news?
What's that? What is this?
Steve now.
Why do you have to call in his name at this point? Someone who walked away from my life 8 years ago. Why are you asking me about him? It's a closed chapter, please.
Babe, that guy still loves you. I can see that in his
Can
eyes.
you do me a favor? Please pick up those tacky, wacky eyeballs of his and fling into the ocean.
Babe, listen.
Gosh.
You know you are his first love. First love, no, they die now. It's okay. I've heard you. Your message has been received loud and clear. I shouldn't talk about him. I'm not going to talk about him again. It's fine.
Better.
Okay. It's okay.
Please. So tell me, please, you can't come to my place and you're not taking anything.
There you go again. Babe, as long as I'm seeing you, I'm fine. I'm okay. I don't need anything. Anyway, I need to get going.
So soon? You just got here. I've been bored, Clara.
Babe, I have this delivery I need to send out tomorrow and I've not packed it yet.
It's okay, I get it. Delivery. But can you do yourself a favor?
What's that?
I mean, do me, your friend, a favor.
What's that?
Just come around. Let's have something like, lunch, dinner, or something.
I promise. This time around, I won't talk about my delivery. We'll go out for lunch. We'll do anything you want us to do.
Something that has nothing to do with delivery.
It's fine. I promise, okay? So, babe, I need to get going, okay? Don't miss me too much.
Oh, you and this your delivery. Every time it's delivery, there's delivery.
I miss you. Bye.
Bye, baby. Take care of yourself.
Okay.
All right now. Bye.
Bye.
She will never change.
I am Delight. I want to play. Don't leave me alone.
I'm not a baby. Please, don't play with me, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Why do you keep appearing to me? What is it?
Don't forget me, Steve.
What do you mean don't forget? Do you know me? Am I your father? Eh? Stop appearing to me. What is all this nonsense?
I said, don't forget me, Steve.
What is your problem? I keep asking. What is your problem? Leave me alone now. Why do you keep appearing to me? Am I your father? Eh? Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Light, please. Go away from me. Just leave me alone, please. I don't know you. I don't know you. I'm not wanting any of your stuff. Please, just go. Go, please.
Please go, where are you? I don't know what is happening in my house. My house is a mess, please. I don't know. A whole lot of things is messing with my brain. I need a man of God, please. I need to be delivered. I need this house to be delivered. Yes. When are you coming back? Okay. Please, as soon as you come back, call me, please. I need all the help I can get. Thank you. What's going on here? I remember leaving this door. Jesus! What do you want from me?
I want you to remember me. Remember me. Remember me.
Who are you? Who are you?
Bro, you've been off. You look like you have not slept in days.
I am being haunted by something.
Bills?
Yeah. A little girl. A ghost. Her name is Delight.
Steve, what are you talking about?
I see her everywhere. The mirror, the TV, my phone, my picture gallery, inscriptions on the wall. And she made mention of, I stole her room.
Steve, you mean an actual ghost?
I am not joking here. I'm not joking. I hear her cry in the night. And sometimes she plays during the daytime. She talks to me as if I am an intruder in my own house. Like I'm a tenant and she's the landlady.
Okay. I can see you are stressed. It could be, stressed out of work, See, Steve, hallucinations are real.
Same thing I thought until I see the inscriptions on the wall. Thank you, Steve. Plates smashed. Doors opening. Can't you get this thing? I'm not going crazy now. I'm not.
Jesus. What's going on?
Hey.
What was that?
Hold on. She's here. Yes, she's here. She's always like this whenever I talk about her. I'm serious.
Still not here. I think I need to call Nancy. This is not Nancy that I know. This is not the Nancy that I know.
So Steve, you left without keeping anything for me to eat. I'm hungry. What would I eat now?
Nancy's not here. Kwane, what exactly is wrong with this girl? Oh, you don't tell me. You know what? Come to my office, I'll give you some things. When she comes, give it to her. Kanyine, look, what is it? First of all, why are you coming to work this late? And why are you dressed like this? Do you understand? Do you realize that this is a working environment? It's a professional environment.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, you're not sorry. You know what? I'm trying hard not to send you back home. So I'm not going to send you back home.
I'm sorry, sir. It will never happen again.
No, I'm allowing you because there's work to do. Kanye Jimmy, what's wrong with you? God, oh, Nancy, you get to me. God.
Nancy, Mr. Kevin says you should work on these files.
Okay.
Nancy, why did you come to work late? And wait a minute. Why are you dressed like this?
Jessica, it's a long story. The lights.
Nancy, what is it? What's happening?
Did you see that?
See what? It's just you and I. No one else. What are you saying?
Why is everywhere like this? I hope this guy has not brought me here to come and start washing plates and start cleaning this kitchen. What's going on with this girl? No. I won't do this. I won't do this for her. Nancy! Nancy! Madam, what happened to your kitchen? Why is this such in a mess?
What kitchen are you talking about?
I can't believe you're asking me such question. Are you living in this house with anyone else? Your kitchen is dirty. Why is it like that?
No, my kitchen cannot be dirty.
Babe, don't tell me you brought me here for me to clean up that mess. Because I won't do it.
You're not even listening to me. I just cleaned that.
Stand up, let's go to the kitchen. Come and tidy it up because I won't do it for you.
You're serious?
Stand up, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ha!
What in God's name is happening here? I kept this file in my room. What's going on? I remember dropping them in my room.
This is my house. My presence must be felt. This is my house. My presence must be felt. This is my house. My presence must be.
Stop! 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 If you are dead, you're not supposed to be here. You don't belong here.
You took my place. You erased me.
What exactly are you talking about? This is my kitchen.
Wait, how? I don't know. Stop pretending. Stop pretending. You're asking me. Then who am I going to ask?
No, I did not leave my kitchen like this. You've known me for years, Clara. I cannot be this messy.
Nancy, stop pretending. Stop pretending. You stay in this house all alone. There's no child in this house.
I did not do this then. Who did?
You're asking, who did? I don't know what is wrong with you. You think I don't know you brought me to your house for me to clean up all this mess? Or you want to turn me to house girl overnight, right?
Who did this?
What's going on here? She is just a spirit. I'm not afraid. I am not afraid. How can I be afraid of a little girl in my house? In my own house! What's this? What's this? Huh? What's going on here? I beg you. What do you want? Did I do anything to you? I don't know you. I've never met you before. Please, what is exactly your mission?
Honestly, Nancy, some things are not adding up. I can't believe you don't know how you left your kitchen. And I don't know you to be a liar. Is there something you're not telling me? You're acting strange lately. I don't understand. I need to know. Talk to me. What's going on?
Seriously, Clara. I'm not okay. I might not be okay recently, but I know how I left my kitchen. I know how I left my things at the house. Okay, fine. I'll break it down. I've been having this torment. There's a ghost in the house.
In this house?
A little girl appears all the time to torment me. Her name is Delight. Remember those times I came back from house and everything was messed up?
Yeah.
She did it. Even the kitchen you're talking about, she messed it up. I cannot be in a dirty environment, and you've known me for years.
Nancy, you're scaring me. I don't understand. If there's a ghost in this house, why haven't I been seeing her? I'm not seeing any ghost.
That is the problem. She cannot show herself to any other person apart from me, and I don't know why. I don't.
Nancy, you work too hard. You know, I'm pretty sure that your imagination is running wide because I don't understand. You're stressed out. You overwork yourself. You need to take a cheap pill. Ghost. I don't understand though. There's no ghost in this house. You're just telling me lies just to cover up your dirtiness in the kitchen there. What is Nancy talking about? Is she saying that there is a ghost in this house? But I have been coming here since she moved in, and I have never seen anything or noticed anything about any ghost. She's just saying things. I'm sure of that. Maybe wide imagination. Possibly she's been seeing too much horror movies lately. I'm sure of that.
What do you want? Why are you tormenting me? What do you want? What is it? What do you want? Please don't hurt me. Please.
I am tired. Alright, I will be doing it, Chiefy. Yeah. Thank you. No, not this morning, please. Not again. What's all this? I got my phone here. Oh, what is this, God? Ah! See, you can have the house. Have everything! Have the whole house, please! Leave me alone! Please!
But you haven't played, Steve.
I'm not playing with you. See, I'm not the one that killed you. I'm not the one that killed you, please! Look for your killers now! What are you doing with me, please? Leave me alone! Huh? I'm not playing! I'm not playing! Ah!
You see? There's nobody here. There's nobody in this room. What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me? I know what I saw yesterday. I know what I felt.
Here you go again.
When I came back from work, the lights were going off and on, the doors, everything was fluctuating in this house. I know what I saw. I'm not hallucinating.
Nancy, you saw nothing.
I know what I saw.
You saw nothing. Probably you are daydreaming. I've been in this room, in fact in this house all alone, and the light was stable. Everything is fine, nothing is wrong, nobody is here. Nobody is in this house.
I know you will not believe me, but I know what I'm saying, I know what I am saying, I know what I felt.
Nancy, stop. Stop. You saw nothing. In fact, relax yourself, I'll be right back. Just sit down.
Okay, I feel, but
there's no but. Just sit down and relax. Just, in fact, sleep. I'm coming. Just sleep. Probably you need something. If I just sleep, I'll get you water. Sleep.
Okay.
Okay, I'm coming.
Don't ignore me.
Delight. What do you want from me? What do you want? Say it! Why are you tormenting me? Why are you not talking? You're just there moving at me. Stop tormenting me. Delight. 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 Oh my goodness.
Nancy, who are you talking to?
Did you see her? Delight, she was just right here. She just left when you were coming. Did you see her?
Stop it, Nancy. What's wrong with you? I think you need a therapist.
I don't need any therapist. I know what I am saying. For goodness sake. Delight, can you come out? Stop making everybody think I'm going crazy.
Babe, stop. I swear to God, you are on colors. Probably started taking colors. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Things are getting out of hands. What is going on?
You don't believe me? You think me, your friend, is mad? How can I be mad and my eyebrows are on flake? How? Can't you see? I'm fine. She was right here. I know what I was saying. She's wearing some torn clothes with...
Stop now. Stop. I'm not saying you are mad. I'm not saying you are mad. I think you need help. Oh my God. Trust me. You need help. What is going on? I don't understand you anymore. You are even scaring me. You are scaring me.
I refuse to accept the fact that I'm crazy. I am not crazy. I'm not crazy. I know what I am saying.
Babe, stop. You work too much, you work too hard. Probably you are stressed out. Maybe I should just take you to the doctor. Probably they should just check with you. Things are not going as it's supposed to be. This is not you. Stop now, please, please.
Clara, come. Hurry before it cuts. What is this thing? You say I'm crazy. What is this? Is this not the light? What is it?
Stop now, stop!
Is this not the light?
Nancy, stop! Are you doing this intentional?
I'm not. Look at it. Answer the call if you think I'm lying.
What is it about this little girl every time? I'm tired. I told you are imagining things. You don't want to believe me.
Is this also imagination? Is this also hallucination? Is that what you're trying to say?
See, trust me, Nancy, if you don't stop this, I will leave your house for good. I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of little girl this, the lights that, this and that, ghost. I'm tired. You need to stop. Probably you're on colors. I told you you're on colors. You don't want to believe me that you're on colors.
I'm not on.
I'm tired. Trust me, I'm tired. I'm tired. Ah.
Promised what? What exactly did I promise you? What do you want from me? What is it? Do I even know you? God, why am I being punished for what I know nothing about? What do you want from me?
Play with me.
I cannot play with you. I am not your mate. I'm not a ghost. Stop following me. Stop tormenting me. Go away. Go away.
Seriously, Aunt, Nancy, my friend, needs assistance. I don't know what is wrong with her. I don't know if it is madness or she's imagining things or it's an illusion because I don't understand anymore. Yes. You are a psychiatrist, so I should bring her to your place for a session. What do you think? That is the best thing, no. Trust me.
I told you nothing is wrong with me. Nothing is wrong with me. I told you. Listen, she's in my room. She just touched me.
Not again.
The light is in my room. Believe me, I know what I am.
Nancy, sit down. What is wrong? Stop. It's okay. Everything will be fine. I just called Aunt Chichi. I've booked a session with her. She asked me to bring you.
Nothing is wrong with me. I am fine. Why is it so hard for you to even believe me? I know who is inside there. I'm telling you. Okay, just follow me so you see.
It's okay. I know you're fine. You're fine. You're perfect. In fact, nothing is wrong with you. You're okay.
Bro, if this is actually happening, if this is real, who is she? What do you know about her?
I know nothing about her. I have not seen her in my entire life. But each time I come into my house, I see words, inscriptions on the wall. Find me. Find me.
What the hell? Find me?
Yes. I see documents littered everywhere. I remember keeping my documents in my room. But next, I come here. I see them pieces by pieces, littered everywhere. I'm telling you, I'm not sure you understand what I'm going through. It seems as if I'm in a strange world.
If this is actually true, if this is actually happening, that means it is not about hunting. Maybe she wants to tell you something. Maybe she wants justice or peace.
Or revenge.
What was that?
Hey, hold on. She's here. She's listening to us. Shh. Yes. I told you. She's everywhere.
Clara, for goodness sake, can you just let me be?
Nancy, I'm still talking to you. I think you should consider seeing my aunt. She will help you understand the situation you are in right now.
Really?
Yes.
Firstly, Clara, why you want me to see your aunt a psychiatrist is because you think I'm mad. I am not mad. Nothing is wrong with me and I cannot go and see your aunt.
I'm not saying you're mad. I'm not saying you're mad. How do you expect me to leave you all alone in this house?
And I am not even complaining to you either, am I?
You are complaining. Probably the next thing I will hear, oh, I'm seeing 100 ghosts. I'm seeing 1 million ghosts. You need to see my aunt, Nancy.
Like I said before, I am not seeing anybody. I am not mad.
Do you want me to leave? Do you want me to go?
Is that supposed to be a threat?
Yes. You want me to leave your house? Because I'm tired. Maybe I'll go in there, pack my things, and leave your house for good, and live your life. Because I'm tired of everything.
Your system is giving you issues again.
Yes, it is. I don't know what exactly is wrong with this laptop. Seriously, I'm tired.
Sorry. Anyways, Mr. Kevin asked about you.
Mr. Kelvin? Yes. I hope there's no problem.
I don't know. I don't think there's no issue. He just wants to see you, maybe.
Okay.
There's nothing good about the morning. There are emails you didn't attend to. Nancy, how could you? A client sends an email for over 5 days and you did not even read them, not to talk of responding. Nancy, do not make me regret ever hiring you. Hey, you used to be very, very active. What's wrong with you? And I want you to remain the way you have been. And regarding this big Upsum project, it's very crucial to this company. And we're talking significant investment here. I will not take anything less than perfect. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please. I'm sorry for the late response, sir. I'm on it.
Better.
Sorry, sir. Sincerely, I am getting fed up. I'm getting tired. What the hell do you want from me? Do you want to take away my job and kill me probably? Just go ahead and do it. Because I am sick and tired. I am tired of your nonsense. Stop frustrating me for goodness sake. Gosh. What do you want? What did you want? What?
Is she losing it? God, what's wrong with Nancy?
Babe. Babe. Chess.
Is everything alright?
Yes, what do you want?
Well, I came to return these files and then ask if you will consider going out for lunch later today.
Now please. I'm not hungry.
Not hungry? Okay, but if you need to talk to anyone or need help, I'm here for you.
Okay, Chess. I appreciate it.
Okay, see you.
Have you seen what you've caused? Have you seen what you've caused? Everybody is now beginning to think that I'm crazy. Leave me the hell alone.
Oh, Mr. David, I'm so sorry. My apologies for the delay on the getting back to you. It's been a bit chaotic in the office. Yes, but we're working on it, and you'll be very satisfied with the result. I promise. You know me. We'll deliver. We will deliver. Okay. Excellent. I have the documents here. I'll just go through them, revise them, and I promise to get it before the end of the day. Thank you. God, I was actually going to see you, Jessica.
Okay.
Meanwhile, God, what's going on with Nancy? I mean, of recent, her performance has been nosediving. She's not doing well, and it's affecting the business, it's affecting the company. What's going on?
Sir, with all due respect, I think there is something genuinely off about Nancy. It's more than just negligence. Nancy has been acting so strangely. Sometimes she speaks to herself. Sometimes she sees things that aren't there. This has been going on for quite a while now.
This is not good for us at all. You know what? You talk to her, okay? Just look for a way to talk to her. And then I'll try my best and talk to her because this is not good for us.
That would be nice.
Go ahead and help me check this and then I'll...
Alright, thank you, sir. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. Nancy, are you okay? You missed Mr. Davis' emails and also missed Mr. Johnson's report deadline.
Oh! Goodness. I don't even know what to do right now. I don't even know.
Listen, there is nothing you can do because Mr. Kevin is really angry. Nancy, what's going on? Are you sick?
I'm sick. I'm fine, Jess. I'm fine.
Okay. I'll leave you now, but if you feel the need to talk to anyone or need any help, please don't hesitate.
Thank you, Jess.
Alright, see you. See you.
Where do I start from now?
Nancy,
Yes, sir.
look at you, sleeping on your job. You know what? I think you need to take a break. Go and rest. Go home and rest.
No, sir, please. I'm really sorry. Sir, about the mistake I made, I just need another chance to fix it. I don't need a break, please.
No. You go home and rest. I insist.
Sir, please, I'm on my knees. Sir, please, I don't need a break. My job is my life. Just give me some time. I would come around and I'll fix my mistakes. Please, sir. If I stay at home, I will be bored to death. Please.
Okay, if you say so. But you know what? You need to sit up.
I will sit up.
Please. See me in my office.
Okay, sir. Right away.
Let me just grab the file and leave at once. What's going on here? She is not just haunting me, but she lives right here with me. Ah! Huh? Ah! Hey!
What is it? Why can't you stop tormenting me for goodness sake? You're beginning to drive me crazy. And this thing is affecting my work delight. What did you want from me? What? Okay, now what do you want? Tell me, what do you want?
Nancy,
What?
what is wrong with you?
Look at her, she's right behind you. She's everywhere. She? Delight!
Nancy, what are you talking about? It's just you and I. No one else here. What are you saying?
No, I meant it's just you and I. What do you need? What do you want?
Well, I forwarded the proposal to you. Please help me vet it before I print it.
Okay. You can go, just give me some time.
Thank you.
No. Nancy, what is it? Nancy, what is it? This is not healthy for you, Nancy. I told you. Look, of recent you've been messing things up in the office and talking to herself. Talking to yourself in the office. You're messing things up. It's not good for the company. It's not good for our growth. Nancy, go home.
Nancy, I think boss is right. Take the break. Your health first. I can manage without you for a while, please.
Exactly. Nancy.
Okay.
That's good.
I'll take a break.
Please. Thank you. Oh, God. What is so nonsense? Everything goes wrong.
Am I going to? Do I need to go to work? I should go to work. Which way to my office? I need to go to work.
Wanda, look at this.
Nancy, are you okay? What is this? Why are you dressed like this?
My pajamas. My clothes.
Okay. Are you okay? How can she be okay looking like this?
Sam, are you okay?
You're not okay! You are not okay! And I told you, didn't I tell you? I warned you never to allow her to come into this office! Look at the way she's there! Is she not mad? One, Kayansha, get out! Now release! No. Go home. Let me go!
Steve.
Hey. Is everything alright?
Yes, everything is alright.
Are you sure? Okay.
Okay, let's go in.
Are you sure you're alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
Sorry, please sit.
Nancy, if I didn't know you, I'll be seriously concerned about you. Look at you.
Why?
This isn't you. You are scared in your own house. Wait,
My?
is this really your house?
Yes.
Then why are you acting up? See, if there's anything the problem, you can tell me. I can help.
Now, I am fine. It's just one of those bad, stressful days. Are you okay?
One of those stressful days and you're looking... Alright, I suggest I leave. But then please, take a rest today. Don't go to work. I said, I want to go.
You're... Okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes. I'm wonderful.
Okay. So, I just leave.
Oh, okay. You're leaving?
Yes, I'm leaving.
I'll go with you. Steve, pick up your call. Pick up your phone, pick up your phone. Pick up your phone, please. Yes, hello, Steve. Steve, yes, it's me. It's me, Nancy. Please, Steve, I want you to come to my house right now. Yes, Steve, it's a matter of life and death. It's a matter of urgency. Yes, please. Okay, thank you. Please hurry, hurry. Hurry, please.
Steve, are you trying to say that she soaked your clothes again?
Yes. Boiled with holy water. I don't understand. My shirt, my suit, even my undies are all wet. What kind of a devil does laundry like that?
This girl's not a fear.
She's constantly watching cartoon in my house. All my clothes, my food, writing on the mirrors, everywhere. Okay, the chocolates, the milk, all gone. I prepared the food this morning before going out. By the time I came back, finished. She literally running daycare in my house.
One small ghost eating everything. Okay, this is not getting funny anymore. Steve, have you tried reaching a priest or something?
A priest? See, I'm joining the moving train right now. Okay? I'm not going back to that house. So I'm coming to your house. I beg. Now your place I will stay. Just give me fan and pillow. I am fine.
Come on. Are you sure you are talking about this ghost or another thing follow?
I am dead serious. Delight is not playing. She's the owner of my house. I'm literally staying there as a squatter.
So you are squatting with a ghost? You can come now, no problem. Go sleep outside though. If anything happens, you go outside, go sleep outside.
Please pick up now. Pick up. Can you just pick this call? Pick up now. You sound so worried. Why are you not picking up? She sounds so worried. What's going on? What happened to her?
Nancy, you're hiding. Are we playing hide and seek?
Steve, please, I need to talk to you. I am scared.
It's alright. Sit, let's talk.
Please, there's this girl. Her name is Delight. She's everywhere. She follows me to the office. She should probably be in the kitchen or somewhere watching us. She knows we're here together.
Wait. Her name is Delight.
Yes, her name is Delight. That's what she said her name is. Delight.
What is going on? Why am I having same experience with her? Little girl?
Are you okay, Steve?
Yes,
Do you know anyone called Delight?
No. I think you've just been stressed. I mean, you're going through stress from work.
That's the problem. I knew you were not going to believe me. I am not going crazy. It is not stress either. I know what I am saying. I know what I'm feeling. I know what I say.
Just calm down.
She was even here.
Relax, okay?
Listen, you have to understand that I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm feeling.
It's just my hands. I'm sorry I started you. Sorry about that.
I don't even know what is real anymore. I don't know what is real and what... I'm just scared.
It's okay.
If I'm losing it.
It's okay. You're not crazy, all right? But I think I have to take you somewhere. Meet a therapist they can talk to. I mean, relate everything to him. We could have a possible solution about this whole thing.
I'm going crazy. I know what I'm feeling.
I didn't say you're going crazy, okay? You'll be fine. Take it easy, okay? Hi, it's me, Val. See, I'm really worried about Nancy. She is not doing well. Yeah, so I thought. But it's really complicated. Very, very complicated. She's really going through a phase. Dark days. Dark moments. And to be honest with you, I'm strongly in love with her. I don't know. This whole thing is not even making me love her less. I'm in love with her so much. I can't even stop now. Yes, I can't stop right now. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it.
What insolence? What's the meaning of that? My life choices? Really? So you guys actually think I am making all this up? What about the sleepless night? Am I also making it up? Am I?
Hey, He is a professional, alright?
Don't care.
He's making a point.
What point exactly?
See, stress can do some kind of strange things to someone.
Oh, really? I do not care. No matter what, he has no right whatsoever to talk to me in that way.
What are you saying? I'm just trying to... What's that?
Don't go. That's the light.
The light.
The light. The little girl.
Someone is actually knocking on the door.
That is the light. I am telling you, do not open the door. That's the light. Don't. Steve! Oh!
Nancy, you went to see a therapist. That won't help.
The light.
Nancy! Hi. What are you doing here? And where's my friend Nancy?
She's inside.
You're supposed to be here.
Hey! Ah!
Nancy, what's going on?
Don't touch me! That is all your fault. It's your fault.
What did I do?
Don't touch me.
Nancy,
What is trying to
She's
happen?
angry with me. She's angry. She is angry that you made me go to the therapist. And she's going to punish me for it.
I was just trying to help.
She was there. I know.
Where?
She was there. You know what? Just get out.
Get out! No, no.
Get out now! Go!
Nancy, it's okay! It's okay!
Get out! She's okay!
It's okay! He's gone! He's gone! It's okay! Just calm down. Nancy, sit down. Just sit, okay? He's gone! He's gone. Just sit down. Just sit! What's wrong? Sit down! Nancy! Steve, come back here. Where do you think you are going? What did you do to my friend?
Clara, what?
Don't Clara me. Last time I came here, my friend's condition wasn't this bad. She wasn't this bad. What did you do to my friend?
I did not do anything to her. I swear.
I don't believe you. Wait, Steve. Did you take advantage of my friend's condition? Did you drug her or something?
What? How could you even say such a thing to me? What kind of a person do you think I am?
I don't believe you. Look at the way she was reacting, yelling. As she saw you, she's reacting. What's going on? Why?
See. I only took her to a therapist, okay? I found her on the way walking barefoot, looking tattered, pretending to go to work. See, I love Clara so much from the depth of my heart, alright? And I can't do anything to hurt her. See, listen. All we have to do right now is to join forces together and save this girl. She's going through a phase. She's going through something, like she's seeing something. I think something is haunting her. So we don't need to fight.
I think the best thing for us to do is to take her to a spiritualist. Maybe we should just give her space for now. You know, I think you need to go right now.
But we can't leave her in such condition. Can't leave her alone.
I will come back and check on her later. But you need to go. Because your presence is making her feel gaga.
It's okay. It's alright.
Just go, please. Just go. Go now. Go. Steve, go. Go. Nancy. Nancy! 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 What's going on? Where could she have gone to, leaving the door open? Something is not right. Something is not right. What's going on? Where is Nancy? What's going on? I don't know where she could be. 3 days now, Steve. 3 days.
I don't understand this. What do we call this? Disappearance or what? We shouldn't have left her alone. See, do you know where she goes off on, her usual sports?
You know she doesn't go anywhere apart from work. And she doesn't have anybody in this town. I'm the only friend she has. This is bad. Steve, we need to do something, please.
It's okay.
Please, just do something. I don't want anything to happen to my friend.
It's alright, we'll just report to the police as soon as possible, okay? But we'll still be in the streets searching for her.
Okay.
And also put an eye on this house. She might just come back.
Yeah, I just hope so.
Alright, you just...
Let's just do something.
Stop! I know you. You. Why are you following me? Why are you tormenting me?
Auntie, I don't know you. How did I torment you?
That's a big lie. You are lying. What do you want from me?
Auntie, I've not seen you before. What did I do now?
What is your name?
Delight. My name is Delight.
Ah! Does it mean I'm hallucinating? Am I daydreaming? Does it mean that what everyone is saying is true? I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. Do you stay around here?
Yes, ma'am.
With who?
With my mommy, just down that street.
Where are you going to?
To the pharmacy.
Is your mommy sick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take me to your mommy. Let me see your mommy. No, be going out. Ma.
Nancy. Oh my God.
Mama Sylvia.
Nancy.
Mama Sylvia, is this you?
It's me.
Madam, thank God you are here. I don't really know you that much. But the other day I saw you. You look like a good woman. Madam, please, I want to go to the city to go and face my future. I want to finish my education. Please take care of this baby.
My daughter, you have nothing to worry about. And I'm promising you that no one will come looking for you. I'll take care of this child as mine. Go and face your future. Go and study and succeed in life. I wish you the best. My child, you are welcome. My child, you are welcome.
Thank God you are here, Nancy. I looked everywhere for you.
So sorry, Mama. It's a long story.
I promised to take care of your child.
Yes.
I am sick and I'm going to die at any time.
Mama, nothing will happen to you.
No one will take care. This is your daughter, Delight. Yes, your daughter. Delight. This is your mother, Nancy.
She's the little girl I left.
Yes. You're a beautiful daughter like you. Delight is her name. But when I die, you want to take care of her.
Mama, nothing will happen to you. Stop saying this.
Nancy, you won't understand.
Mama, stop. Mama, let me take you to a good hospital, please. Let me take you to a good hospital. Let me take you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Steve, you won't believe what is going on. Do you know Nancy is back to the house? Let me even shock you. Nancy came back home with one small girl. 8 years old, thereabouts. Yes. Steve, can you believe that Nancy has a child, an 8 years old child, and she never told me, she never related it to me. You are an idiot though. Come on, stop it, Joe. What's wrong with you?
I'm so happy that finally you're settled. You're good. Looking so happy and still looking so beautiful as ever.
Thank you.
Yeah. And this meal is very, very delicious.
Daddy, you like the food?
Daddy?
Dad.
Now, start talking right now. This is the same girl you told me about, Delight. The same girl appearing in my own home. Her name is Delight. The same girl, the same face. Did you come here to kill me? Huh? What is your plan? I'm not making sense. Like I'm going crazy. Hey. Don't joke with me. Don't fucking joke with me. You know, I've been thinking aloud. Really, something strange happened. Nancy's daughter, Delight.
Yeah.
Out of the blue moon, she came to me and called me Daddy.
Daddy?
Out of nowhere, Daddy.
Are you serious?
I am serious. My heart has been racing all day. Like I am thinking, could she be my daughter? You know, 8 years ago, I had a fling, a whole thing with Nancy. You remember I told you the story?
Yeah, I remember the story.
Yeah, I'm just thinking aloud. Could she be my daughter?
Steve, at this point, I believe you're supposed to call Nancy. You need to have a heart-to-heart talk with her to find out if Delight is your daughter. You need to know. Because it's about a past you had and a child is involved here. You just have to know.
I know, I see. I don't know. I just hope. I hope she's my daughter.
I pray so.
Let's just, come on. And be hopeful.
Try to be going to church. So that ghost will not be chasing you.
Oh, what a beautiful day. Thank you, Delight. Whoa. So, where do you want us to start from? Because we bought a whole lot of things for you.
Mommy, you and Daddy, I want us to be a real family.
Delight. Who told you that he's your father?
Mommy, there are so many other things that I know. I know that you still love Dad.
Delight. Listen, you will not understand. Your dad and I are not together.
But he's a good daddy. Trust me, you won't find a better man. He came looking for you. Please, think about it.
Baby, I am sorry for everything I did to you. I'm sorry for the 8 years I made you. See, I still love you. I know Delight is my daughter. Yes, I still love you. I want you and I want Delight as well.
Steve, do not make me angry, and I'm trying to hold myself. No, listen, for the fact that you've been coming back to my house does not give you the right to tell me that you love me, because you do not love me. No, you don't. How can you love me and you let me suffer alone with my daughter? Do you know what I went through? No, what exactly are you sorry for? What? Which of them?
I am sorry. You know, I wasn't ready then.
Oh, you were not ready. But you could make use of the turning between your legs. Are you kidding me right now? So you came back so that my daughter, Delight, can call you daddy. Oh, you want to be called daddy now, right? You're so heartless.
I'm really sorry, please, for the sake of our daughter.
I don't care. Stop calling her your daughter. She is not your daughter, and she can never be. I suffered. I went through hell. Nobody wanted to help me. I could not even get a single job for myself.
How can you say that, Stephen? This is our child.
I see, Nancy, I understand. But you know, at this point in time, I'm too young. I'm not physically and mentally fit to be a father. Please, you will take it out. You will take that baby out, please. Please.
I will not take it out. Remember, you said anything that comes out of it, will bear it.
See, let me make you understand one thing. I won't father any child. You get me? You will take it out. You will take it out.
I will not take it out.
I'm just telling you the fact.
We are in together. I will not take it out.
Makola.
No picking. Let me try it again. Stephen, pick your call now. Please now. Pick your call. Eh? No, I need to try this number. I will try it again. Why is he not picking this call? Why is he not picking this call? Why is he not picking this call? What am I going to do now? I can't even go to work. Neither further my education because of this pregnancy. No, I will not keep it. I will remove it.
My daughter, let me tell you something. Do not terminate this pregnancy, because the child you are carrying is a great child. If you do, you will go down with the child. Give birth to this child and bring the child to me. I will take care of this baby. Then you can go on with your future, with your studies. I repeat, do not terminate this pregnancy. Do not terminate this pregnancy. Do not terminate this pregnancy.
Please. I am back now. I'm back to make things right, right? I'm back to take you and my daughter back. I've built a great fortune for myself. I want you to be part of it.
Steve, you locked me out. 8 years ago, you locked me out. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness for a good Samaritan like Sylvia. She was always there for me. If not for her, my baby, our baby, like you said, wouldn't even make it today. And here you are telling me that you were sorry.
Please. I'm sure you don't want our daughter to be fatherless. Yes. Allow her to enjoy fatherhood from me.
Don't even think of manipulating me or blackmailing me because it will not work. It won't work at all, Steve. Just get out.
Please. Give me a chance to have a real father. I want to call him daddy every day. Please, give us a chance to be a real family.
Light.
Please. Listen to her.
Shit. Listen, I hate seeing my daughter cry. So if this is what you came back for, make use of the door.